Hello students, today we'll learn a concept from atomic structure, that is electron filling rule or electron filling concept. So here quantum numbers are discovered by the quantum scientist, and quantum numbers explains the capacities of the orbitals and shells for the electrons. The quantum scientists like Max Planck, after that Einstein, then Nobel laureate Einstein, then de Broglie, afterwards Heisenberg. These quantum scientists, after limitations of the Bohr with its atomic model from the classical approach having limitations, overcame by the quantum scientist in the quantum approach. Max Planck given the energy of the electron particles in the atoms. Einstein has given the energy relationship of the motions of the electrons in the waves, wave function psi, and de Broglie has given the wavelength of that electron wave. Heisenberg has explained the uncertainty in the momentum and position of the electron, displacement and position, and the momentum of electron. After all these quantum scientists, quantum numbers arise to explain the capacities of the electrons in the orbitals. Which quantum numbers? We know that L, N, L, M, S. N principal quantum number explaining shell, L orbital quantum number giving orbitals, M orientations along XYZ direction for orbitals, S spins of electron. So taking these quantum numbers, we can determine capacities of the orbitals for the electrons. The capacities of the electrons on the basis of orbitals, we can determine that, and we can come up to the electronic configurations. So electron configurations are based on electron filling rules given by three scientists, Hund, Pauli, and Abbaugh. What these scientists have given? The Hund has given the rule for Hund's rule, it is known as the Hund's rule, has given a rule that no two electrons have the same number of quantum numbers. Abbaugh has given an order for filling of electrons. From lowest energy to highest energy orbitals, electrons are filled. That is Abbaugh's order. And Pauli's order or principle is that Pauli's principle or its order is that Pauli's exclusion principle, it is known as the exclusion principle, means no two electrons in the orbital should have the same spin. Means if electron is rotating clockwise, one electron, other should rotate to anti-clockwise direction in one orbital. So that exclusion of the spins of the electrons given by the Pauli, that is called as a Pauli's exclusion principle or Pauli's order for the spin. So Hund's rule explain the 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 electron filling according to first sharing then pairing. Must means that first electrons to be shared in the orbitals, then they are paired. Pauli's order as exclusion gives about the spins of electrons. The spins should not have same for two electrons in orbitals. Abbaugh's order explain that electrons are filled from lowest energy to highest energy. According to that, electron configuration arises, the sequence of orbital arises, and capacities of electrons are filled. Suppose 1s orbital is this, first principal energy level has one orbital, that is K shell. It should have two electrons with opposite spin 1s2. If L shall have the two orbitals 2s and 2p, the P should have the three orientation, 2px, 2py, and 2pz. So according to quantum numbers, the electrons are filled like this. First one 2s2, 2p6 electrons, because two electrons in each three orbitals of p. 2 electrons means the electrons are filled like this. So if you have to fill the electrons in the p orbitals, how they are filled? Not first in the first orbitals px or py. First equal electron sharing took place according to Hund's rule, and then pairing of the electron take place to 6 as like this, 2 electrons. So sharing and pairing principle known as Hund's rule. So according to Pauli's principle, Abbaugh's order, electrons are filled from lowest energies to highest energies. First electrons are filled in the lowest energy orbitals, occupies the lowest energies, then higher energy levels. So these three rules explains how the electrons are filled in the atomic orbitals of periodic elements in the four blocks S, P, D and F. Suppose one example, if we have to determine configuration of calcium 20, how it is determined? In the orbital sequence as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, the next orbital is a 3p, then 4s is filled first, after that 3d is there, then becomes the next orbital 4p, because 4s have lowest energy than 3d. So here how the electrons are filled? First we have to fill electrons from lowest energy 1s to next energy levels, that is Abba's order. Hund's rule explains that electrons should be shared first then paired, that is Hund's rule. And Pauli's exclusion principle says that if one electron has clockwise spin, another should have anti-clockwise in each orbital. So here 20 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 electrons are here, 3s2, 3p6, 18 electrons are there, remaining 2 electrons are filled in the 4s2 orbital, because it is filled not in 3d 4s orbital, and these 2 electrons have the opposite spin. In this way 20 electrons up to 4s orbital is filled for the calcium. So calcium valence orbital is 4s2, 1 electron clockwise spin, another electron anti-clockwise spin. So these explains the stabilities, instabilities, half filled and completely filled configurations of atoms of periodic table. So electron filling concept or rules are Abba's order, Hund's rule and Pauli's exclusion principle, which explains the stabilities, instabilities of the configurations of atoms of periodic table elements.